I just stumbled upon a mind-blowing fact: AI-generated music is now indistinguishable from human-created tracks. It's crazy to think that we're living in a time where machines can create music that's just as good as ours. I mean, what does this mean for the future of music? As someone who's passionate about music, I'm both excited and a little worried about this development. You're probably wondering, just like I am, how AI is changing the music landscape. We're seeing a new wave of AI music tools emerge, like Suno, which allows users to generate music tracks in minutes. It's like having a virtual band at your fingertips, where you can experiment with different sounds and styles without needing any musical knowledge. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use, even for those who can't play a single note. But what's really interesting is how AI music generation is changing the way we consume music. I was listening to Spotify the other day, and I realized that the algorithm is getting better at recommending songs based on my listening habits. It's like having a personal DJ who knows exactly what you like and don't like. And it's not just about recommending songs, the Spotify algorithm is also influencing the type of music that gets created. Artists are now using data and analytics to craft songs that are more likely to go viral. It's a fascinating dynamic, where technology is shaping the sound of music. As I delved deeper into the world of AI music, I started thinking about the creative process. You know, the spark of inspiration that leads to a new song or album. And I wondered, can machines really replicate that spark? Or are they just manipulating existing sounds and styles to create something new? It's a bit like the difference between a human chef and a recipe generator. Both can produce delicious meals, but one has a personal touch, a creativity that's hard to replicate. But then I stumbled upon some amazing examples of AI-generated music that sounded incredibly human. It was as if the machines had tapped into the same creative energy that drives human artists. And that got me thinking, what if AI music is not just about generating tracks, but about collaborating with humans to create something entirely new? It's like having a partner who can help you brainstorm and experiment with different ideas. So, how does AI music generation actually work? Well, it's based on complex algorithms that analyze vast amounts of musical data. It's like a super smart librarian who can categorize and retrieve songs based on genre, mood, and style. And then, using that data, the AI can generate new tracks that sound similar, yet distinct. It's a bit like a game of musical Lego, where the AI is building new creations from existing blocks. As I explored the world of AI music, I realized that it's not just about the technology, it's about the people behind it. The developers, the artists, the fans, we're all part of this journey, shaping the sound of music and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And that's what's so exciting about AI music. It's a collaborative effort, where humans and machines are working together to create something new and innovative. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the soul of music? The emotional connection that we feel when we listen to a song that speaks to us? Can machines really replicate that? That's a great question, and one that I've been grappling with. As someone who's passionate about music, I believe that the soul of music comes from the human experience, our emotions, our stories, our struggles. But can AI music tap into that same emotional resonance? I think it's possible, but it's still early days. As we navigate this new landscape of AI music, I'm reminded of the early days of photography. When cameras first emerged, people thought they would replace human painters. But instead, photography opened up new creative possibilities, and artists responded by pushing the boundaries of their craft. It's similar with AI music. It's not about replacing human artists, but about augmenting their creativity and inspiring new forms of expression. And that's where we are today, at the cusp of a new musical revolution. We're seeing AI music tools like Suno and Amper Music emerge, which are empowering artists to create music in new and innovative ways. It's an exciting time, full of possibilities and uncertainties. As I reflect on my own relationship with music, I realize that I'm not just a consumer, but a participant, a part of this larger ecosystem that's shaping the sound of music. So, what's the future of music in a world where AI is increasingly prevalent? Will we see a new wave of AI-generated superstars, or will human artists continue to reign supreme? Those are questions that I don't have the answers to, but I do know that the future of music is going to be shaped by all of us, the artists, the fans, the developers, and the machines. And that's what's so exciting about this journey. We're all in this together, creating a new sonic landscape that's full of surprises and possibilities. As I look back on this journey into the world of AI music, I'm struck by the sheer creativity and innovation that's out there. From the developers who are building AI music tools to the artists who are using them to create new sounds, it's a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. And I think that's what's so important to remember. AI music is not just about the technology, it's about the people and the stories behind it. So, what do you think the future of music will sound like? Will it be a harmonious blend of human and machine, or a discordant clash of styles? That's a question that I'd love to hear your thoughts on. As someone who's passionate about music and technology, I'm excited to be a part of this conversation, and I hope you'll join me on this journey into the unknown. If you're as curious as I am about the future of music, then let's explore it together, one note at a time, and see where this journey takes us. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI music, then subscribe to my channel.